welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, let's continue modeling the drill as shown here. We have selected this vertex over there, so I'm gonna be extruding, select these two vertices in order to fill this gap. Hit 3, we have selected these two vertices. Hit 1 from front view, cancel 1 to invert. So let's extrude it on x-axis just as like this and drag until they merge it. Also, let's select these 4 vertices. I'm gonna be filling them. Let's fill those vertices, hold down shift, hit F to fill them. Also do it for this gap. Shift, hold down shift and hit F to fill this gap. I think it's fine. Just we need to work on some sections. Selecting this vertex, grab them on the y-axis just a tiny bit. Just like this. I think it's fine. Don't need much more detail for that. I think it's fine and good enough to continue modeling, adding much more detail. Let's select those 3 vertices closer to that gap over there. Let's see how can we extrude them. Then select all those vertices, extrude them on the z-axis. Just a tiny bit. Ctrl Z, or you can grab them also on the z-axis. Let's grab them. Just to leave a little gap. I think it's fine like this. Let's grab those vertices up on the z-axis. Grab them just a little bit like this. They want to add another loop cut over there in order to add some details to the hand grip. Ctrl R. Then drag it a little bit over here. So let's see what we should do in that case. So I think I should Alt S to scale it. Ctrl Z. Let's scale it like this. Let's add another loop cut. Ctrl R. Move it up closer to this edge over here. Then let's see. I think switch to face select mode. Select just these 2 faces. Hit 3 for side view. Extrude them like this and grab them on the z-axis. As you notice in this tutorial that this section I have extruded earlier is getting off in this direction, so grab on the x-axis. It's more to make it going inward like this. Just I'm going to fill this gap. So let's see what we should do in that case. I'm going to grab it on the x-axis, that vertex, because something is going overlapping over here. So let's extrude all those vertices. Select all those vertices. Let's delete the dot vertex, but something went wrong. Let's delete dot edge, X to delete edges. Switch to vertex. Let's delete that vertex also. Let's see what we have. I think it's not bad. Anyway, I want to extrude it inward. Go into the center. Just select that vertex and go down and select. Hold it down, Control, click on that vertex, going to select shortest path. Like this. Hit 1 for front view. Let's extrude it inward and drag until they merged. Like this at center. Let's turn off the X-ray mode. Let's go ahead to show you how to extrude in the case where we are. I think this is not bad. I have this a little gap, so let's leave it for later to see what we should do. I think it's not bad, this design. Ctrl S to save. In this case, let's select these two vertices. I'm going to be sliding by hitting G twice, drag it down a little bit, slide it down a little bit, then hit C, drag it all the way up closer to fill this gap, just like this. Click to confirm using the left mouse button. So let's move it closer because later we get some topology issues. So let's slide it using G twice shortcut, just like this. I think it's not bad. See you in the next tutorial to continue modeling this trail. Thanks for watching.